Well, the mood, Eliza, at Diggers this year is definitely more depressed than normal. I mean, everybody's saying that the party is over, but judging by my hangover from last night, and I think everybody else's hangover here this morning, the party is still well and truly kicking. But, I mean, the resources industry is still very depressed. I mean, and you can tell that from the soft indicators here around the conference. The numbers are down, there's spaces on the flights down from Perth, and if you need accommodation, well, you don't need to bring a tent anymore. There's still plenty of room at the inn.
So what are the key factors affecting the sector?
Well, I think it's a combination of two things. It's low commodity prices and high operating costs. And that put together, I mean, that's a toxic mix. I mean, we're here in Kalgoorlie, obviously. Let's talk about gold for a second. I mean, gold is down, I'd say, 25% over a 12-month period, from 1,600 to about 1,300 now. And that's resulting in many of the major players exiting the market space. But gold's not an exception. I mean, every commodity, uranium, iron ore, nickel, copper, they're all substantially down. But the ones that are really hurting is at the junior end, the exploration sector. They just cannot access capital. The banks aren't prepared to lend. The equity markets are closed for business. And that's going to have a few trends, either consolidation, and we're seeing that happening, asset sales. They're being sold as we speak, and in very unfortunate situations, there's going to be insolvencies, and we see that happening too. But I'm the eternal optimist. I see the cup half full, and I think there is some cause for optimism. I mean, we've now got the certainty around an election date, and that will provide political and hopefully regulatory certainty for the sector. We've got a low Aussie dollar, which hopefully might do something around operating costs. And ultimately, I think global market conditions, maybe not so much here in Australia, are actually improving a little bit, which hopefully will have a run-over effect down here in Australia.